Imagine stepping into a time machine and traveling back 2 billion years into Earth's past. The world you would see would be almost unrecognizable. There would be no humans, no dinosaurs, no trees, no flowers, not even fish swimming in the oceans. Instead, you would find a strange, alien-looking planet where life was still in its earliest chapters. The continents looked completely different from today. Ancient landmasses had joined together to form an early supercontinent known as Columbia or Nuna. Massive volcanic regions and barren, rocky landscapes stretched across the horizon. The oceans covered much of the planet, but they were far from the vibrant blue ecosystems we know today. There were no coral reefs or colorful marine animals. Instead, the seas were filled with microscopic organisms that would quietly change the future of Earth forever. Among the most important were cyanobacteria. These tiny microbes used sunlight to perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Over millions of years, they slowly transformed Earth's atmosphere in one of the most significant events in our planet's history. At this time, oxygen levels were still much lower than today. If a modern human suddenly appeared on Earth, breathing would be nearly impossible without protective equipment. The sky itself may have looked different, with a less developed ozone layer and a younger sun that was about 15% dimmer than it is today. The environment was unlike anything we experience now. Along shallow coastlines, strange layered rock formations called stromatolites rose from the water. These living structures were built by colonies of microbes and remain some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth. Although the planet appeared empty, something extraordinary was happening beneath the surface. The first complex cells, known as eukaryotes, were evolving. Unlike simple bacteria, these cells contained a nucleus and specialized structures. They would eventually become the ancestors of every plant, animal, and fungi that exist today, including us. Meanwhile, Earth's tectonic plates continued to move, building mountains, creating new oceans, and reshaping the continents over millions of years. 2 billion years ago, Earth was not a world of giant creatures or lush forests. It was a quiet planet ruled by microscopic life. Yet, these tiny organisms changed the atmosphere, prepared the planet for complex life, and laid the foundation for every ecosystem that would follow. Without them, dinosaurs would never have existed, and neither would humans. The next time you look at our modern world, remember that its incredible diversity began with invisible life forms working silently billions of years ago. Earth's greatest transformation started not with giants, but with microbes.